I'm a Philip Ngosa. I'm a Forex beginner. I have learned a lot from the academy. Now I know how to use Fenerbahce because I had a problem with it because I read the books, but I didn't understand. For now, with the training that I have been listening this week, everything has come clear. Now I have a confidence. I will start sending the charts in student group. Now I learn a lot. My eyes are opened. I have a confidence now that I can start doing my trading. It was a fantastic, a great training that I have learned. I'm looking forward to see the winning strategy so that I will be able to apply and practicing on my demo and starting, and after practice on demo, I will start taking a live trading. I'm interested. I learn a lot. All my eyes are open now. I feel confidence. Thanks, Thanks for your free training that you are sharing with us in the group. Thanks very much.